Layne Riggs won the inaugural NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series on Libel's Green Flag 150 in the streets of St. Petersburg, Florida, on February 28, 2026. Riggs dominated, leading 41 laps and winning the 80-lap race on the 1.8-mile street circuit. It was the first ever Truck Series street course. Key details for 2026 St. Pete NASCAR race. Winner, Layne Riggs, Front Row Motorsports Sharp 34-4. Top 5 finishers: 1. Layne Riggs, 2. Ty Majesty, 3. Ben Hodes, 4. Chandler Smith, 5. Cadden Honica. Event highlights: the race was the third of the 2026 season. It featured a 1.8-mile, 14-turn street circuit that included the Albert Whitted Airport runway, Pioneer Park, and the Delling Museum. Special entries: former IndyCar driver James Hinchcliffe finished 10th and Dario Franchitti finished 20th. 7. Context: the event was part of a larger, high-profile race weekend, including the Firestone Grand Prix of St. Petersburg for the IndyCar Series.